Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The United Kingdom-based United Oil and Gas says it expects to get permits to start piston core sampling in Jamaican territorial waters by early next year. The company, with a license to explore for oil offshore Jamaica, says that process is well advanced. Javon Keys reports.
Piston core sampling is a geotechnical and geological method used in oil and gas exploration to collect sediment samples from the seabed. It involves driving a long cylindrical tube known as the core into the sediment to recover relatively undisturbed layers. This allows researchers to analyze the composition, structure, and properties of the material. In one of its recent updates to stakeholders, the UK-based firm United Oil and Gas says the planning and permitting processes for the piston core sampling in Jamaican waters is advancing. The company says permits are expected in early 2025. Once those are granted, an analysis will be done of the sediments recovered to give a clearer picture of their composition and to verify the presence of hydrocarbons, which are primary components of oil and natural gas. The piston core sampling also helps assess geotechnical properties such as sediment stability, which is crucial for designing offshore drilling rigs and infrastructure. The area being explored by United Oil and Gas under the Walton Morant license to the south of the island covers more than 22,000 square kilometers, with some estimates suggesting that under ideal conditions, the basin could contain over 7 billion barrels of oil that might be recoverable. In January 2024, United Oil and Gas received a 2-year extension of their license until January 31, 2026. For the Financial Report, I'm Javon Keys.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with the US dollar being sold for $159.48. Banks and cambios are selling the Canadian dollar for $113.79. $207.39 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $176.53. To the stock market now, the JSE main index fell by 2,354 points today, while the junior market index gained 21 points. The main winners, the Lab, MFS Capital Partners, ISP Finance, Proven US Dollar Shares, and Caribbean Cream. The losers were led by Eplis 7.5%, JMMB Group 7.25%, Margaritaville Turks, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and 138 Student Living. 13 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.